timely, accurate, geo-referenced and visual gas concentration information are critical for decision-makings in many scenarios. Choosing the right tools can get more done with less effort. Introducing the new Sniffer4D Mini2, which works seamlessly well with the DJI M300 series aircrafts. Together, they are your right-hand man for obtaining high-quality 3D gas distributions. The all-new industrial and structural designs of Sniffer4D Mini2 bring significant reduction in its size and weight. The new quick-release mount and cable connection shorten the operation preparation time even further, maximizing M300's flight time. Under its compact body, Sniffer4D Mini2 delivers uncompromised performance. It supports simultaneous monitoring of up to 9 gas parameters. The new RGB warning lights have a larger visible angle, making surrounding people perceive the change of gas concentration more conveniently. Sniffer4D Mini2 supports DJI's new Cloud API, bringing unprecedented amount of visual information and user experience to the M300's large screen remote control. By combining with an automated drone dock, Sniffer4D Mini2 and DJI M300 can further reduce the cost of acquiring environmental data. This opens up infinite possibilities for truly unmanned, high-frequency data acquisition in many applications.